Saudara, dalam awal 745, Perdana Menteri Datuk Seri Najib Tun Razak ada melancarkan satu lagi inisiatif berdasarkan perkongsian awam swasta yang bertujuan membantu perusahaan kecil, sederhana serta pemilik harta intelek IP memasarkan produk berinovasi tinggi mereka. Rakan setugas Haris Hardi Hakim telah bersedia. Kita terus bersama Haris.
Terima kasih studio. Perdana Menteri Datuk Seri Najib Tun Razak sebentar tadi baru sahaja melancarkan platform Venture Sdn Bhd yang menandakan satu kerjasama antara Agensi Inovasi Malaysia AIM dan SME Corporation Malaysia SME Corp, sebuah agensi di bawah Kementerian Perdagangan Antarabangsa dan Industri, dan entiti baru ini akan mempamerkan keupayaan inovasi di kalangan perusahaan kecil sederhana PKS dengan menangani jurang pasaran di pelbagai peringkat proses inovasi melalui pendekatan holistik dan didorong oleh permintaan pasaran. Dan bagi mengulas lanjut mengenai peranan platform Venture Sdn Bhd ini, bersama dengan saya ketika ini ialah Dr. Viraj Parera, Pengarah Eksekutif Platform Venture Sdn Bhd. Doctor, thank you for being with Astro Awani. So, Doctor, my first question is, what is the main function of Platform Ventures and how it may help the intellectual property owners?
Right. So let me give you a bit of a background about Platform Ventures. So Platform Ventures is regarded as one of the national initiatives to support commercialization of intellectual property. It's an amalgamation of two national initiatives, the Innovation Business Opportunities Initiative of Agensi Inovasi Malaysia and the High Impact Program 2, the Technology Commercialization Platform program of SME Corporation of Malaysia under their SME Master Plan 2012-2020. So the main function of Platcom, as I mentioned, is to act as a technology commercialization platform for the nation. So as was mentioned previously by the Prime Minister, anybody with a good idea can approach us, and our function is to identify whether that good idea is innovative, whether the idea can be protected by intellectual property rights, and we would then help the IP owner to move it to the commercial domain. So in this sense, we have a lot of facilitation services that we offer under the platform. And what we would basically do is, whatever the market barriers that the innovators are hit with, we will help them to remove these barriers and then seamlessly transform from one stage of the commercialization process to the next stage, so that they can move their innovations all the way to the market. So what happens at the moment is the good innovations, they die before they see the light of day, before they hit the market. So that is Platform Ventures in a nutshell and what our main function is all about.
Yeah. So, and what kind of services does Platform Ventures give?
Okay, so a range of services. Since our core is about intellectual property, we would be looking at helping innovators in IP protection. So the commercialization process, especially in the IP area, starts with IP protection, which is the asset that you are trying to commercialize. And in that sense, we would help the IP owners to identify good intellectual property rights. We would help them to protect that intellectual property rights through patents, trademarks, trade secrets, industrial design rights, and copyrights. And once we've done this, once we've helped them with this, then we would help them to look at, okay, how to create a proof of concept. How do you prove that your idea works? In which case they're going to need funding. So we would have a look at the existing funding landscape, both public and private, and introduce them to funding. And then also other services include access or facilitating their access to validation services, regulatory testing services, and also distribution services. And for global reach, we will be looking at international distribution channels as well.
Okay. So thank you so much, Doctor, for that enlightenment. Thank you for being with Astro Awani. Okay. begitulah tadi penjelasan sedikit daripada Dr. Wiraj Parera, Pengarah Eksekutif Platform Ventures Sdn Bhd mengenai peranan yang dimainkan oleh Platform Ventures sebagai satu platform untuk membantu pemilik harta intelek untuk memasarkan produk berinovasi tinggi mereka. Dengan itu, sekian dahulu laporan daripada saya. Kembali ke studio.